First set of bonus spins on a max bet. Oh, retrigger. Let's go. Gonna bust these anvils again. Battle axes. Come on, 16 spins. We got $8, that's it. What? Come on. We're gonna need some hammers now. There we go. It's awful. For 2 retriggers, there we go. $88, that helps. 9 spins left. Let's get a retrigger. Not very good. Mining carts, that helps. That puts us over 100, 112. This ain't too bad, I guess. Can't complain. Uh-oh, another respin. 15 plays. Let's go. Mining carts for 20 again. Now we're at 132. Come on, drop some hammers or respins again. Battle axes, 10 spins left. There we go, hammers again. $180 in the bank. What a bomb. Seven spins. Blue battle axes. Blue battle axes again. Come on, 4 spins. Blue battle axes again. 3 spins left. Come on, let's get a retrigger. Drop some hammers. It's alright, we got a nice bonus here. Over $200. I'll take it. Gives us some more firepower to try to get them anvils. Price them are worth just as much as the anvils on $3. I might just quit. We won $212. Look at them anvils. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.